Hi guys, Brendan here from Brendan Tek Tak. There are certain times while editing a video you need to have a frame frozen so that your video actually pauses and you can explain certain things, and once you have done the explaining then the video starts again. So in iMovie I'll just show you how to do a freeze frame. It's very easy to do. Let's go to the computer and do it. So the first thing you do is you choose the frame or choose the place where you want to have the freeze frame. Right click and then you will find there's something called add freeze frame. You can click that. That will give you a freeze frame. The second place is you can go to this timer or speed dial and then click on speed, and here you can choose freeze frame. So whichever way you choose to do it. Now let's do it with the right click. You add freeze frame. Now this is a freeze frame now. If you play the video, now video plays, now the frame freezes and it restarts. You can change the duration of your freeze frame. You can expand your timeline so that you can see it well. Now this is the freeze frame. You will see this arrow. When your mouse cursor goes over that, you will see like a stop clock, stopwatch. You click on that and you can drag it to increase the duration of your freeze frame. You can see that this is a freeze frame with the icon of a hand over that, so this means this is a freeze frame. So you can increase the duration by lengthening this. So let's try to play it. The frame has frozen. Now it starts to move. So this is how freeze frame is done in iMovie. Hope it helps. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel after clicking on the like button. Bye bye. See you again.